Greetings everyone. So this video I'm really excited about. I purchased a vintage mystery bag off Etsy because I saw Graveyard Girl do this and she got a lot of really cool retro vintage random stuff and I thought it was awesome. So I immediately after watching that video went and ordered one myself and it came in the mail today and I am about to open it. By the way, do you like my fake glasses? Forever 21. So this comes from an Etsy shop called The Odd Shop. Okay, I'm really excited. I have no idea what to expect. I low-key really hope none of this stuff is haunted, as dumb as that sounds. The bag is called Shenanigans from the oddshopvintage.etsy.com. I got the biggest one, which was $30. So I spent $30 on what is essentially just a bunch of old junk, but I'm okay with it. So I'm gonna reach in here. I'm gonna pull out from the front to the back. So this looks like a really old puzzle. I'm not sure what it's a puzzle of. Let me crack it open and see. Oh, it's kind of falling apart. It's so old. Looks like that might be a clown, maybe? Oh, I'm grossed out at the same time. Cheez-Its. What is this, an old Cheez-It box? I literally paid $30 for old garbage. Isn't that, insane? What also is insane, that literally the last thing I ate was Cheez-Its. It's just an old box. I don't know if this is even, an actual Cheez-It box or, a play box. You know what I mean? You know how sometimes they make boxes like this for kids to play with? I'm so confused. I'll have to look up and see how long ago the box looked like that. Okay, I'm just reaching in and grabbing. What is this? Grossville High. Stickers with bubble gum. Ew, there's actual bubble gum in here. 1986. Look for your friends in Grossville High. First series, stickers with bubble gum. Only 25 cents. 5 stickers and 1 bubble gum stick. I think the bubble gum stick is broken. I hear it. Oh, do I want to open this? Oh, it's definitely been opened before. It's kind of just falling apart in the back. I don't. Oh, gross. There's the actual old bubble gum in here. And it's all broken to pieces. Oh, it's falling out. Oh my goodness. Okay, I've got a trash can right there. Okay. Well, I'll take the cards out. How about that? It opened so easily. I don't know if it's actually been opened before or if the glue to the package was just that old that it kind of just disintegrated. Okay, these are funny. Grossville High, number 14 of 66. Norman Nerdwood. Oh my goodness, it has stuff about him on the back too. Favorite subject, school, class award, most popular nerd on campus. We have orthodontist. We have, another orthodontist. I'm surprised that there's 2. Then we have Napper John and George Gorge. These are really funny. I'm going to have to look through the back of these and career goal, air traffic controller. This is funny. Yeah, I threw out the pieces of old stale gum because yum. The gum wasn't even packaged. Oh, that's so gross. Stop. I want to know where they find this, though. Alright, what is this? Kodak Movie News. Published by Eastern Kodak Company, summer 1960. Wow. Shots. Oh, it's just about taking pictures. Tips for your summer shooting, a home or away. Where do they find this stuff? Honestly, okay, I feel a couple things at the bottom. Oh, that's creepy. Oh. Is this... Here, focus. This random little doll. It's seen better days. It's like that's totally me, just holding its belly like, oh yeah. And then this little creepy guy. Oh, this guy like actually like gives me the heebie-jeebies. It's like this little gnome man. My hands feel gross. Okay, what is this? Punjabs by Gumperdy? Gumperds? The line is boozy. 1960. A napkin from 1960. It's a party. Come and join the fun. Just an old party invitation. I don't know how old. My pet monster. Come and join the fun. Okay, let's go for some of the bigger things. What do we have here? From Walt Disney's Snow White. Whistle While You Work. Golden record. I really hope the actual record's in here because Graveyard Girl got an actual record. 101 Dalmatians! Oh, this is so much better than Snow White. Walt Disney's story of 101 Dalmatians with songs from the film. 24-page read-along book and record. I love 101 Dalmatians. This is so exciting. It's a book. Oh my goodness. Let me check out this record here. Disneyland. Walt Disney songs from 101 Dalmatians. Cruella de Vil. And then this side is, I guess like a read-along. I need to get a record player because this is really freaking cool. This looks like a really old necklace. It looks like maybe like a soldier. Maybe it's on the back of like a Scrabble tile. But it looks like someone turned it into a picture. That's really interesting. Just an old single Hello Kitty notepad, sticky note thing. It says 1976 and 1990, but I don't know. Hello Kitty hasn't changed that much, so this could be brand new. This could be older than me. I don't know. All right, we've got an old bingo card. That's it. Just an old bingo card. What is this? Is this a magnet? I can't... Ugh. It's a magnet. It's a cardboard. An old milk truck? All right, now what do we have? Freddie Fall Off. Ha! My hips. Yeah, I remember Graveyard Girl got a bunch of little cards, too. Some playing cards and whatnot. Ooh, what is this? Oh, ew, what is that? Let's hope that's my hair, but I don't think that it is. Could be. I doubt it. Garbage Pail Kids. Broad Maud. I love it. I love it. I think you... Oh, it's a sticker. Here's, 1986. Tops Chewing Gum. Me. This is weird. Okay, this is weird. This is a pillowcase. I think. Yes, this is a pillowcase. I don't want an old pillowcase. Richie Rich Millions, The Poor Little Rich Boy comic book. This just says number 72. Oh, now that's creepy. Wait till I show you. Oh, look. This is from 1975. Oh, look. People meeting Casper. Casper in like a outfit. That's weird. Look at this. Now, one of the things that she got in hers, which I figured would be in here, was really random old photographs. And it kind of weirded me out because they're just like personal photographs. Where are they coming from? Like, I mean, someday are people going to be just giving away like my old pictures? I don't know. But at the same time, not that long ago, I went on eBay looking for really old vintage pictures. So, this, okay. Like, I want to know who these people are. We have a little girl blowing up a balloon in 1951. Who is she? I don't know. This is gonna bother me. We have a marching band. We have two little kids sitting on a wall. They look like they're, it's cold. It's like it's cold there. And then this one. There's a chance this boy's name is Brad. Let me try and read this. It looks like it has, no, it says Branch. That's what it says, Branch. Must be last name Branch. And this is RG Branch, and then their address in Michigan. But it doesn't say what year it is. I'm sorry. I feel weird having this picture of this little boy. I mean, this little boy who's obviously not a little boy anymore, but it's strange. Where do people get this stuff? Alright, last thing in here is a Magic Crayons coloring book. It was 29 cents. I'm gonna be disappointed if all the pictures are colored in. Oh, let's look at the duck guy, creepy bunny guy. These look like they were drawn with like a Sharpie and then copied. Fun bingo. Oh, ooh. No. No thanks. I really badly want to buy another one of these. Like, how bad is that? I just want a bunch of random old junk. But this is cool. Like, this is so cool. So go check out the Odd Shop on Etsy. I'm probably going to go check it out again. I might look up and see if anyone else has videos like this. Alright, so have a good day. See you later. Bye.